Hi, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make your playlist public and even private in your Spotify application. So for that, you need to open your Spotify application, then you need to click on any playlist you want to make public or even private. So for example, I want to make this playlist private. So I just click on this and click on three dots. And now I just need to scroll down, and here you can see make private. I just need to click on that and just confirm it, and now my playlist is private. No one can see on the Spotify search. It will never be shown in any search on the Spotify in any name. Okay, so it is now private, and if I want to make it public, I can just do the same and click on make public. It is now public, and it will be shown on global. It will be shown globally on Spotify. So this is how you can make your playlist public and even private.